Hello, I'm Payal. I'm from Usmanabad. I have completed my BTech degree from Sri Siddheshwar Women's College of Engineering, Solapur with 81%. And I had joined this Qspiders through incubation in January 2024. First, I joined Tejaswa batch. Tejaswa teaches us Java so gives us presentations, assignments, and take mocks within weekly basis. So that helps me a lot in my interview rounds and communication rounds. Presentation gives me the courage of stage daring, so that I have communicated my communication round very well. And after that, I have joined SQL batch, which is given by the Vikas sir. That sir take over mock. That helps me a lot in the interview round. After that, I have joined HTML CSS batch, which is given by the Shrikant sir. Shrikant sir also teaches very well and very nicely, so which clears each and every concept. After that, I have recently completed advanced Java batch, which is given by the Sandeep sir. And that batch helps us a lot to solve all the problems, and how to sir told us or teaches us how to build all the projects and how to execute that project, and sir helps us to solve all the kind of errors. And all Qspiders team helps me a lot. That's it. Thank you.